For creating variables in C, first we need to specify the type of the variable. Let's say I want to create an integer, so I say int, then the name of the variable. Let us just name it A is equal to, give it the value of 65 like this. We have another option when assigning or giving a value to the variable, and that's the thing that we declare or define the variable at the first line and then give it a value at the second line or later. For example, in here I say int A, and then whenever I want to give it a value, I say A is equal to 65. If I want to create a character variable, I say char, char or car, and then the name of the variable, let me name it B, is equal to a character like M, as you see. Now I want to print different representations of both A and B. So at the first line I want to print A, and I'm telling the compiler to look at the content of this variable and treat it as a decimal. So I just cut and paste it a couple of times. Now at the second line I want to tell the compiler to treat it as a character, and then at the third print I want to say to print the B variable as a decimal, and then I want to print the B variable as a character. Also I want to print the B variable as a X or as a pointer at the last line. Now I just save it and compile it using the GCC compiler. So executing it would give me these values as you see in here. I open the file in another terminal. So at the first line we had A as a D, which gave us the value 65. Then we had A as a character, which gave us the value of A. If we open the man ASCII, which we did in the previous lectures, we could see that 65 is equivalent to A. Then we had the B, which is M. We wanted to print it as a decimal, and we had 109. If you look at the ASCII, this column in the decimal, so 109 is equivalent to M character, or 60 in hexadecimal. That's why in here we got M, and in here we got 0x60 for the pointer. What we could do also was to just write some string in here so that you wouldn't have to bring up the source code. For example, in here I say A as a decimal, or in here just A as a character, to have a better understanding when we look at the output. If I recompile it, and you see we have A as decimal, A as character, and so on.